Hey everyone, and welcome back to ThisIsNZ. Today we're taking you on a fun Testing Toys family walk through the stunning Oturia Regional Park. This park is 40 minutes east of Auckland, and it's the perfect spot for families and couples to escape the city and enjoy nature. We're doing a relaxed 2-hour loop today, trying to find new paths along the way and soaking up the epic coastal views. If you're going to attempt it, wear good footwear on this trip. Bring shade or hats, as many parts of the trail are uncovered and out in the sun. This can be covered by all ages. There are braking spots where you can rest. There are steep hills, but there's also alternative tracks. There are amazing views, and everyone has a different flavour. You can walk from one end to the other, and at the end of the point, it's a magnificent view across East Auckland.